Advances in science over the last 3 decades have contributed to a better understanding of the mechanisms of disease. Several key breakthroughs, including the mapping of the human genome, have generated a ripple effect through medicine, fundamentally changing treatment paradigms.
We are moving ever more rapidly toward the era of personalized medicine, and in fact that's part of Illumina's mission, is to provide the technology that enables personalized medicine. And what that implies is understanding the connection between genetics and diseases, teasing apart the contribution that genetics plays versus the contribution that environment plays in disease, and understanding, if we understand how the genetics plays into that, then we can begin to look at how do we control it, how do we create better therapeutics, how do we create better diagnostics, and this is certainly a huge trend and an accelerating trend in the industry right now.
These discoveries have significantly improved our ability to diagnose disease.
First of all, you have continued emergence of new science that can allow us to push the boundaries of disease understanding and therefore development of therapies. I mean, the last 30 years, this whole area of systems biology is a major discipline that we can advance the study of disease. When I was a student in the 70s, chemistry was the predominant science that people that were developing drugs studied. Now we have biology, the whole understanding of genomic structures, the cell, how disease progresses at the cellular level. That's advanced in enormous ways in the last 30 years.
In some cases, they've enabled scientists to fine-tune therapies by determining which drugs will work best for which patients.
The technology changes that we've seen in the last couple of years are not just a factor of 2 or a factor of 4 or 5, they're factors of 100 to 1,000 in sort of capability of these technologies, and that refers to things like price point, throughput, the ability to sort of get at the underpinnings of the genome. And those changes, I think, are the things that are going to enable us to understand the genetic contribution to disease.
The amazing progress that is being made in medicine has not gone unnoticed. These medical breakthroughs are coming at a time when life expectancy has reached over 75 years in much of the developed world. The aging world populace, composed increasingly of demanding baby boomers, does not intend to go quietly into the night. They expect better, more effective, and higher quality health care, and are insisting on new therapies that will extend, improve, and enhance their quality of life.
As baby boomers begin to age, we want to feel younger, we want to be more active, we want to address our quality of our life, whether that's rejuvenating ourselves and our ability to sort of communicate or to participate in a variety of activities, but also sort of feel younger and look younger. And this has impacted aesthetic medicine, it's impacted ophthalmology, orthopedics. There's a number of applications.
The world's leading research institutions and universities, many of which are located in the United States, have been at the forefront of these discoveries. And a vibrant U.S. life science industry has become the world leader in carrying these breakthroughs forward into approved marketable products.
So I think the advances of biotechnologies like recombinant DNA technology, the monoclonal antibody technologies have made very significant impact on the industry because they've created blockbuster products that are not only important for health, but also very important from a profitability standpoint.
Companies are focusing on a variety of targets, developing treatments that are improving, if not curing, debilitating diseases.
Populations are getting older in this country and other countries. And as we know, there are diseases of the elderly, Alzheimer's disease, obesity, Parkinson's disease, diabetes. These are all illnesses that we all want to have the best medicines. And that's the purpose of the biotechnology and life science industry.
Now numbering over 1,000, U.S. life science companies range in size from young entrepreneurial medical device, diagnostics, and therapeutics companies developing their first products to Fortune 100 multinationals. The life science industry has become a strong economic engine, generating jobs and contributing to the tax bases of key cities throughout the United States. BioMed Realty Trust is dedicated to providing exceptional facilities to support the growth of these companies and the health of the life science industry as a whole.